Master your mood, how to react differently to everyday challenges. Even the small things can make us overwhelmed. Be it traffic jams and late submission of deadlines to sudden changes in plans, all these things can frustrate us. But what we can do is change how we react to certain situations, and this can help us build a positive outlook towards things. 5 tips to reshape your reactions. 1. Pause and breathe. Take a moment to realize the situation and practice deep breathing. It's important to respond thoughtfully. This is a simple way to calm down your mind and body. 2. Shift perspective. Try to look at a situation from a different perspective. This can help build a positive attitude and may even provide some solutions. Don't panic and maintain your calm. 3. Practice gratitude. Be thankful for everything life has to offer. Have a sense of gratitude for everything. Practicing gratitude can help shift your mindset and build a positive attitude. 4. Mindfulness. Try to acquire positive thought patterns by practicing mindfulness. It is very important to build a positive mindset and live a happy life. In this way, we can transform the minor disturbance into growth opportunities. 5. Resilience. Take care of yourself and build resilience to control how you react and build a positive lifestyle. It is important to be aware of the needs and the possibilities of our thoughts. It's completely moral to feel all sorts of emotions. By choosing how we react and taking a deep breath, we can turn those negatives into positives. This way we can transform our mindset and live a happy and peaceful life. So, be the master of your emotions and live a happy and carefree life by protecting your energy and peace.